Welcome back. Today we're going to take the train up to the top of Pike's Peak. Can't wait to go. It's going to be a great time. 14,115 feet, I believe. So that's the train we're going to be riding, going up to Pike's Peak. Pretty cool. Can't wait to go. And here we are on the train. I seen in one video where it said to make sure you sit on the side with 3 seats, because that's the best view, so that's what we did. And we're moving. Going up the hill. One of those don't fall on us.
These large boulders that you see here on the side of the hill right here, this is known as Pike Peak granite. Pike Peak granite is made up of mica, feldspar, and quartz. And what makes these rocks unusual in their shape and sizes is called ice wedging. Ice wedging is the process of when the water gets in the cracks and crevices of these rocks, and when they freeze, they expand. When they expand, they don't blow it up, but they break the rock into different pieces. So we get unusual shapes and sizes here. Coming up on the 2-seat side, we have quite a unique rock. We call it diamond rock. Wait for it, folks. Wait for it. After we pass this pole right here on the two-seat side, right after that big granite rock that you see right there, it's going to be wedged down there, right there in that little creek. We call this diamond rock. All right, folks, are you feeling a little left out on the 3-seat side? No, I didn't say it was Tom placing the coal in the steam engine. He looked over at the engineer and told him, "Man, that was the son of a gun." We all know that's not what he said, but we just assumed it's something like that. Forward motion we go. We elevate in 25 feet in elevation, climbing elevation. Falling on the track. We sure do, folks. We sure do. In fact, last week Lachlan had to stop this train and have me. The banquet hall and of all of the things. That water coming out of High Falls comes from a pipe connection system that comes from a hydraulic electric plant that's coming up here on the 3-seat side. In the 1900s, Colorado Springs commissioned a family to come up here and take care of this hydroelectric plant. Coming up on the 3-seat side is the caretaker's house. Part of the foundation that was left from the halfway house is this foundation right here on this house right here on the caretaker's plant.
While I'm saying especially, don't walk in those aisleways, okay? I'll send Brian after you to yell at you. Okay. Oh, beautiful, for spacious skies, for amber waves of gray, for purple mountains, majesties above the fruited plains, America, America.
lake remains the same level of water as it did when they first started. You might notice here, folks, we're coming up time where we don't have any more trees coming up here. This is called tree line or timber line. Get a little more harder to breathe. Just like that. At the 5-minute mark, you'll hear one long one. Just like that. When you hear that, you know you better get back to the train because we will leave you. And still rest in pieces. There was a storm coming up. They do a lot of these decline and say, oh, this is August. We'll be okay. So they're dismayed that night, a blizzard and whiteout conditions hit the top of Pike Peak, and when the train brought its food down there, they're circling something. Or there's a storm coming, because when they act up like that too, there could be a storm coming. Coming up on the 3C side, if you have back on board, would you please, because we'll ask you politely to put your waist. And please get out the main seated so we can stop the train so I can let you out. In fact, when I give them the all clear, it sounds like this.
And we made it to the top of Pike's Peak. It's not near as cold as what we thought it would be. What a great view. You can see for miles and miles, like the song. Right, there's the train we rode up on. And way down over yonder is Colorado Springs. Right, there's what's left of the original Summit House constructed in 1873. There's not much left to it. No, at night time it would be cold up here. Came all the way to the top of Pike Peak to get us some donuts and soda pops. We don't get to eat donuts much. I couldn't even get two of my own. Then they said we can only have one apiece. So you see, we get one apiece. Well, we've had a great time up here. Be sure to eat the donuts. They were very good. Might as well go ahead and get two each for each one of you. Because we went back and got a second one. Saves you time. But anyhow, thanks for watching this week. We'll see you in the next video.